Crypto investors are opening themselves up to unprecedented risks of fraud and scams. But don't worry, some common red flags will help you spot a crypto con artist before they get their grubby hands on your money. As William E. Quigley says, like it or not, we're all being scammed. This video is sponsored by NRGY.com. NRGY is the future of decentralized finance. For more information, visit NRGY.com. Cryptos are an exciting new form of digital currencies that offers many benefits, but there are risks. Even the most enthusiastic crypto experts know that the world has its own risks. Some have even lost money themselves to scam, like Ian Ballina. He had his private wallet key compromised by hackers via malware. His story highlights how quickly things can go south when dealing with such volatile assets. So be careful. Finance experts say that people should keep their crypto holdings under 5% of the portfolio and should never invest in it at the expense of saving for emergency or for paying high interest debts. However, if you are interested to invest your money, here are some best practices. Keep tabs on red flags. For starters, watch out for some common red flags like classic money-winning scams or credit card fraud. But, of course, the most common red flag is typographical error and obvious misspellings on emails, on social media posts, and during any conversation. They would promise you to multiply your money. But remember, no one can predict the crypto market, so it won't happen in 1,000 years. They will try psychological manipulation like blackmail or extortion. But suppose you see vague details about where your money is going, or large social media crypto schemes, turn around and hit the road. Know when to use a crypto wallet. If an investor has $100 worth of crypto, it would probably save keeping them on Coinbase exchange. However, if they amass thousands, incorporating a more secure kind of wallet makes more sense. There are two types of crypto wallets, typically described as hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are hosted online, making them more susceptible to hacking than cold wallets, where you keep your cryptos offline like thumb drive or paper wallets. Cold wallets are sort of flash drive. They are not entirely as secure, but if you forget your password or lose access to the device, there will likely only be some lost funds instead of losing all the information stored inside. Keep track of your wallet keys. You only get one unique key to access your wallet. So, losing the crypto or having it stolen could mean losing all that wealth forever. You need to have a lot of control about getting access to your wallet key. It's not like one where you can just forget your username or password if it's not written down. Also, each code has its process. So, this virtual space isn't open to any older person who wants in, only those with specific codes. The crypto market is still in its infancy, and there are many people with misplaced trust. It's just going to take some time for the industry as a whole to grow up. In the meantime, we hope these tips will help providing peace of mind until we get more experience navigating this new world. If you liked our video, please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell. This video was sponsored by NRGY.com. NRGY is the future of decentralized finance, a one-of-a-kind distributed business building platform that enables the creation of decentralized apps, dApps. NRGY leverages the power of its financial technologies with an incentivized network community. For more information, visit NRGY.com. Thanks for watching.